Hello everyone, back with another video, and today we are going to be seeing how many hits the ukulele takes to kill. I'm going to try to kill every single monster in the game. So, first step, monster 1 is the, I would say the chicken, because they are, like, the least powerful, like, monster in the game. So, yeah, I'm gonna go down here. There's one monster I will not be beating. Is that monster right there. Oh, 2 hits. 2 hits for that. I think I could kill him, but it would be very hard. It would probably kill me first before I kill it. Oh, no! I killed it! Okay, like 3 hits will do it. 3 hits. This might be just a 3-hitter. Now get over here. 1, 2. Ah! My eyes. I'm gonna go find another bomb. Oh my god. Ah! What the freak? What did I touch? Come over here. Come get me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. I just don't want to die. Oh, it's also a mining tool. None. You serious right now, bro? The freak? Oh, yeah. So, we are going to be kill the, Armstrong. Ow! What was that for? Come get me! Ah, 7. Ooh, a revolver, just in case. Okay. Aw. Wimp. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 3 or 4. I think it was 3. Someone count for me. There are some monsters that I will not be fighting because they are a little too dangerous. Don't mind that. That was cringy. Hey, come on. I'm only 10. And I'm also the weirdest person in my school. Pretty much. Okay, now that we're back, we've done that. What other monsters are there? Oh yeah. There's one monster I will not be fighting is the Big Back. If you don't know who Big Back is, I'll show you. Big Back over there. I don't know if you can see him, but that's Big Bat. Wrong way. Oh, like 15, 20 hits? 15? I think 15. I'll try to kill a chicken. I'll play you a little tune while we do this. I bet y'all are booing me right now, not gonna lie. Let's find the chicken. Oh, chicken's coming. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Okay. Alright. Now we are going to be trying out to kill a monkey. Monkey or like a different type of animal of like the human. Okay. Okay, people kill. Hey, can I try something?
I'm coming back.
I have an RPG if you like.
Can someone? Hey, who wants to be in a video and wants me to try out
Which
something?
does not look like that, but
Me.
what?
Who can try out? Who wants to be in a video and wants to?
Oh,
try
me.
Okay, join the code. Join the code TTY.
TTY.
Okay. Now we are going to be trying out how many hits are going to kill a gorilla. Okay, you guys are good. Are you guys gonna like?
I want to.
Okay,
Me.
come here.
Me. Pick me.
Okay, come here. Both of you, come here.
Ow.
Both of you.
What
Oh
the
my
heck?
god. You're not. You're gonna ruin my game. Oh my god. Guys, come out here. Come on.
I was just joking.
Okay. I'm already recording, so you're already in my video.
Okay. Hi.
And
Really?
so here's the thing. I'm testing
How
out
many
how
subs
many
you
hits.
got?
I'm gonna
Question.
I can't remember. I have memory
Hit
loss.
me.
Okay, so the thing is, the video is like I'm trying out how many hits can kill everything in the game, and the gorilla is the last thing. So.
Oh.
One,
Okay.
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8.
Oh, 8.
Oh, 8 hits.
8. Now, how many kill?
They're not that bad.
2 hits.
Wait, now we
killed
gotta try
the
on you, Tiger.
ghost. No.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
don't kill me. Don't kill me. No.
Uh-huh.
No, don't kill me. No.
Where is he?
No, not my
In my
weapon
tail.
against me. No. This is no.